Toyota RAV4 doing the rear brake pads. .21mm takes off your lug nuts. Take your tire off, put your car in the air. Get a jack stand to remove your caliper. You have two 14mm, one 14 there, one 14 there. Sometimes this wants to spin on you. I think it's a 17mm wrench for that, but I just use my crescent. Hold that as I break my 14mm loose. Alright, so once you get both the 14mm out, just take your caliper, rock it back and forth, rest it right there. We're going to need to compress that piston, but we can move our old brake pads. If you can't get it out by hand, just use a pry bar in here, pop it out, don't damage your rotor. Yeah, so you could just take a pry bar, get it in there, just like that. Take your old brake pad out. Now we're going to compress our piston. Alright, to compress my piston, just using the old brake pad, C-clamp. Turn clockwise, compress. Alright, so you want to take note of your wear strip right there. The new pad doesn't come with it installed, but you want to clip it on just like that onto that side, just like that. Clip it on, and this is going to be your inner pad, so your inside pad. Alright, so installing our new pad, it's basically you're going to push it in like that, slide it in. Same thing with the inside. Alright, new pads are in. You just want to push these pins in a little. Same thing on the bottom. And install your caliper. Alright, caliper's on. Reinstall your 14s. I have to do the same setup where you hold here with the crescent wrench. Put back on your tire, cover back your reservoir, pump your brake pedal. And that's the RAV4 rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.